Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zahra and I am from Department of BS Chemistry. The topic which is assigned to me from presentation is chemistry of lipsticks. Let's have a look to the presentation layout. First of all, we discuss the introduction and general history of lipsticks, then chemistry of lipsticks, then ingredients used in lipstick, toxic chemicals which found in lipsticks, impacts of lipstick on human body, and general product which we use instead of lipstick. First, we discuss the introduction. If we take a look at our modern makeup, it is interesting to note that though the products and techniques have gone through stages of enormous advancements, but fundamentals of makeup still remain the same. Humans have been using makeup to highlight their features for various purposes for as long as one can remember. This is particularly true in the case of lipsticks. From barriers to today's mind-numbing variety, the metamorphosis of lipsticks over time is an interesting tale that needs to be told. We can also say that lipstick also called lip cosmetic, which is widely used by women. Lipstick may also be suffer as color cosmetic because lipstick is a cosmetic product containing pigments, oil, waxes and emollients that applies color and texture to the lips. Lipstick make lips soft and they are also non-irritating to the lip skin. Lipstick have also desirable degree of plasticity. If we move to the journal history of lipsticks, we got that ancient Sumerian men and women were possibly the first who invent and wear lipstick. About 5000 years ago, they crushed gemstones and used them to decorate their faces, mainly on the lips and around the eyes. Lipstick with shimmering effects were initially made using a persistent substance found in fish's tail. The actual term lipstick was not first used until 1880. However, people were coloring their lips long before that date. Upper class Mesopotamians applied crushed semi precious jewel to their lips. Egyptians made a red dye for their lips from a combination of fucus albin, iodine, and bromine mannate. If we move to the ingredients which are used in the lipstick, we know that first ingredient which uses waxes, then oils, then pigments and dyes, then alcohol and fragrance, preservative and antioxidants. Let's have a look to the characteristic and uses of these ingredients. First, wax. Wax provides a structure to the solid lipstick. We also say that the gloss and hardness are generally depends on characteristic and quantity of waxes. Best characteristic is obtained by using mixture of waxes of different melting points and adjusting the final melting point by incorporating a sufficient amount of high melting point wax. Then oils. The oil mixture is required to blend properly with the waxes to provide a suitable film on the applied lip skin. Also acts as a solvent in some formulation and acts as dispersing agent for insoluble pigments. Some examples of oils used in lipsticks shown below, like castor oil, paraffin oil, fatty acid alkylamides, butyl stearate, etc. Then pigments and dyes. Dyes are one of the more important ingredients used to make lipstick. In olden days, carmine was widely used, but nowadays various others are available. Like the dyes used in a lipstick include bismuth, oxychloride, magazine violet, titanium dioxide, DNC red number 16, DNC red number 21. Dyes in lipstick is imparted by two ways: soluble dye and insoluble dye. Soluble dye are those by staining the skin with solon of dye stuff, which can penetrate the outer layer of skin called soluble dyes, while by covering the lips with a colored layer which serves to hide any skin roughness and give a smooth appearance called insoluble dyes. The next one is alcohol and fragrance. Alcohol is used as a solvent for wax, and oils are also used in making lipsticks. These are essential components of lipstick which are used to cover our marks, bad odor of fatty and wax. They are also used to impart attractive flavor. Their qualities are that they are free from irritating effect, free from desirable taste, stable and compatible with other ingredients. The last one is preservatives and antioxidants. Preservative and antioxidants are added to the lipstick to increase its shelf life and to prevent it from becoming stale or rancid. Preservatives are used to prevent microbial growth, while antioxidants are incorporated to prevent rancidification of oily base during storage. They are generally used in combination. But remember that higher concentration of preservatives can cause slightly burning sensation or allergical reaction. These are some examples of preservatives and antioxidants. The examples of preservatives are methylparaben and propylparaben, while examples of antioxidants are gallic acid, propylglycol, BHA and BHT. If we read the chemicals used in making lipstick, we know that in making lipstick, chemists have to take into consideration boiling and melting point of ingredients for a great product. Karuba wax is one of the more popular wax because it has a high melting and boiling point at 82 to 86 degrees Celsius. Some chemists use emulsion, the mixture of two or more liquids that are immiscible to hold the product together. Emulsion are also uses small droplets of oil in water, which this process keeps the oil and water from separating by increasing the surface tension. The last one is capsaicin. Capsaicin is an irritant that gives the lip plumping effect. If we move forward to the toxic chemical used in lipstick, lead is not only the concern in lipstick because lead is not only the toxic chemical which used in lipstick. A study by University of California research found 9 toxic heavy chemicals in testing of 24 lip glosses and 8 lipsticks, including chromium, cadmium, aluminium, manganese, lead, and etc. Some impacts of lipstick on human body. Many brand lipsticks contain lead, a proven neurotoxic that accumulates in the body because the body does not exhibit chemical processes necessary to break down and assimilate any amounts of lead. Abnormally high levels of lead have been correlated to miscarriages, infertility, and cognitive issues. For example, in University of California study, researchers found those women who applied lipstick from 2 to 14 times every day, in terms of chemical exposure, they translate into ingesting or absorbing as much as 87 milligrams of product a day. Molding, molding related effect. First molding related defects is laddering. Laddering occurs due to either mold is kept at a very low temperature or when bulk formation is not hot enough or filling rate. Is slow. Deformation. Deformation, the shape of lipsticks look deformed. It is most noticeable in softer formula. Deformation can appear on the side of lipsticks or on the both sides of lipsticks. Keratoring. This effect is mostly found in slit molding. The main cause is the presence of trace amounts of silicone oils or machinery. Lubrication oil from manufacturing mixtures or the dispersed mixture. The last one is the natural product that we use instead of lipstick. The first natural product is aloe vera. This gel forms inside the leaves of aloe vera plant. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that soothe and rehydrate damaged skin. Then made coconut oil made from the flesh of coconuts. This oil combats inflammation and is an emollient, which means that it can soothe and soften the skin. Then honey. It is the highly moisturizing, which makes it a good treatment for dry lips. Honey also contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties, which help to prevent infection from developing in extremely dry or cracked lips. Then cucumber. Cucumber can gently moisturize the lips and may contain vitamins and minerals that could improve the lips appearance. The last one is green tea. Rich in antioxidants and minerals, green tea also contains polyphenols which reduce inflammation. Soak a bag of green tea in warm water and gently rub it over the lips to soften and remove excess dry skin. This technique is more gentle than traditional exfoliations. In general, we can say that aloe vera, coconut oil, honey, and all above have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties which can help prevent infection while moisturizing and soothing the skin on lips. Thank you. If you have any question regarding to this topic, then you ask freely.